The SS United States. A name that once echoed with the promise of speed, luxury, and American ingenuity. Launched in 1951, this colossal ocean liner captivated the world. She was the largest and fastest passenger ship ever built in the United States. Her sleek design and record-breaking speed were a testament to American ambition at the dawn of the jet age. This is the story of her final voyage, a bittersweet journey from the shipyards of Philadelphia to a new life beneath the waves. The SS United States wasn't just a ship, she was a symbol. She represented the pinnacle of American shipbuilding, a floating palace that carried the hopes and dreams of a nation. From the outset, she was destined for greatness. Her construction was a marvel of engineering, a testament to the skill and craftsmanship of American workers. Thousands of people poured their hearts and souls into creating this magnificent vessel. Their legacy lived on in every rivet, every weld, and every carefully crafted detail of the SS United States. The ship's launch was a momentous occasion, drawing crowds from far and wide. People lined the docks of the Newport News Shipbuilding and Dry Dock Company in Virginia, eager to catch a glimpse of the behemoth taking to the water for the first time. As she slid gracefully into the James River, a collective gasp rippled through the crowd. It was a sight that would forever be etched in the annals of maritime history. The SS United States had arrived and the world was watching. But the story of the SS United States is about more than just her impressive size and speed. It's a story of innovation, of pushing boundaries, and of the enduring allure of the open ocean. It's a story that continues to fascinate and inspire, even as the ship herself enters a new chapter in her remarkable journey. The SS United States quickly earned the nickname Queen of the Seas. She claimed the coveted blue ribbon on her maiden voyage in July 1952. This prestigious award recognized the fastest transatlantic crossing by a passenger liner. The ship shattered the previous record, held by the British liner RMS Queen Mary, by almost 10 hours. It was a defining moment for the United States, a symbol of national pride and technological superiority. On board, the SS United States offered unparalleled luxury and sophistication. Her interiors were designed by some of the most celebrated designers of the era. They featured elegant staterooms, grand ballrooms, and opulent dining rooms. The ship quickly became a favorite among the rich and famous. Hollywood stars, dignitaries, and even royalty graced her decks. Traveling on the SS United States was an experience like no other. But the SS United States wasn't just about extravagant luxury. She also played a vital role in connecting people across continents. For almost 2 decades, she served as a vital link between the United States and Europe. The ship carried millions of passengers across the Atlantic. These included immigrants seeking new beginnings, soldiers heading off to war, and tourists eager to explore the world. Each voyage was a microcosm of human experience, filled with stories of adventure, romance, and the thrill of discovery. The SS United States represented the golden age of transatlantic travel. She embodied the romance and glamour of ocean liners. Her legacy continues to inspire awe and wonder. She remains a symbol of a bygone era when the journey was just as important as the destination. Behind the glitz and glamour of the SS United States lay a secret. She was designed with a hidden purpose. The ship was built at the height of the Cold War. Her construction was heavily subsidized by the United States government. This was in exchange for the ability to convert her into a troop ship in times of war. Beneath her luxurious facade, the SS United States possessed a hidden strength. In the event of a national emergency, the SS United States could be rapidly transformed. Her spacious interiors could be converted to accommodate over 15,000 troops. She could be outfitted with a helicopter deck and even a small hospital. This dual-purpose design reflected the tense geopolitical climate of the time. It highlighted the constant threat of conflict that loomed over the world. Although never called upon for active military service, the SS United States served as a powerful symbol of American preparedness. Her very existence sent a message to the world. The United States was ready for anything. This underlying mission added another layer of intrigue to the ship's story. It cemented her status as more than just a luxury liner. She was a strategic asset, a symbol of American might, and a testament to the ingenuity of her designers. The Cold War may be over, but the legacy of the SS United States' secret life continues to fascinate. It's a reminder of a time when the world teetered on the brink of conflict. It's a testament to the ship's versatility and her enduring importance in American history. Section 4, Fading Glory, the long decline of a maritime icon. The decline of the SS United States was a gradual and heart-wrenching process. The dawn of the jet age brought about a new era of air travel. Transatlantic flights became faster and more affordable. The demand for ocean liners plummeted. The SS United States, once a symbol of progress and innovation, found herself increasingly obsolete. In 1969, the SS United States completed her final voyage. She was withdrawn from service and laid up in Newport News, Virginia. What followed were decades of uncertainty and neglect. The once grand liner sat idle, slowly succumbing to the ravages of time and the elements. Her luxurious interiors faded, her paint peeled, and her once gleaming hull became a canvas for rust and decay. Despite numerous attempts to revive her, the SS United States remained trapped in a state of limbo. Various plans were proposed, including transforming her into a floating hotel, a casino, or a museum. But none of these efforts came to fruition. The financial burden of restoring the aging liner proved too great. The once proud Queen of the Seas seemed destined to fade into obscurity. The plight of the SS United States saddened many. She was a tangible link to a bygone era, a reminder of American ingenuity and the golden age of ocean travel. Her slow decline seemed to mirror the fading memories of those who had sailed on her, a poignant reminder of the passage of time and the fleeting nature of glory. Section 5. A New Hope. The Artificial Reef Project and the Fight for Preservation. As the SS United States languished in Philadelphia, a glimmer of hope emerged from an unexpected source. The idea of converting the ship into an artificial reef gained traction. This innovative approach offered a way to preserve the ship's legacy while creating a thriving marine habitat. Artificial reefs play a crucial role in marine conservation. They provide a hard substrate for corals and other marine life to attach to. This creates a complex ecosystem that supports a diverse range of species. The prospect of the SS United States becoming a thriving underwater haven captured the imagination of conservationists, divers, and the general public alike. The process of converting a ship into an artificial reef is complex and requires careful planning. Before sinking, the vessel must be thoroughly cleaned and stripped of any hazardous materials. This ensures that the ship does not pose a threat to the marine environment. Once cleaned, the ship is carefully sunk in a designated location, where it becomes a permanent fixture on the seabed. The transformation of the SS United States into an artificial reef promised a new chapter in the ship's remarkable story. It offered a way to honor her legacy while contributing to the health of our oceans. As the project gained momentum, it became clear that the SS United States, even in her final resting place, had the power to inspire and captivate. Section 6. Farewell, Philadelphia, the emotional last departure. The day finally arrived for the SS United States to bid farewell to Philadelphia. The once bustling port city had been her home for over 2 decades. It was here that she had been docked, awaiting her uncertain fate. Now, as tugboats prepared to tow her away, a sense of bittersweet nostalgia filled the air. Thousands of people gathered along the Delaware River to witness the historic event. Among them were former passengers, crew members, and history enthusiasts, all united by a shared connection to the iconic vessel. As the tugboat slowly pulled the SS United States away from the pier, a collective sigh rippled through the crowd. It was a poignant moment, filled with both sadness and a sense of hope for the ship's future. For many, the departure of the SS United States marked the end of an era. It represented the passing of a time when ocean liners ruled the seas, but it was also a testament to the enduring legacy of this magnificent ship. Even in her final voyage, she had the power to bring people together. She reminded them of the importance of preserving our maritime heritage. The SS United States may have left Philadelphia, but she would never be forgotten. Her story would live on, passed down through generations, a testament to the power of human ingenuity, the allure of the open ocean, and the enduring appeal of a ship that once captured the hearts of a nation.